welcome to Terrifically Thrifted. My name is Terry and this is my YouTube channel.
Welcome to my YouTube channel.
In case you're new here, I'm an environmental scientist with a passion for reusing and refurbishing secondhand items. We are going to be renovating our basement pretty soon. And so I just wanted to take some time today to show you what it looks like and just explain to you why it's so important to us and what we want to do. Welcome to my basement. So this week's video, I'm going to be recording it in this room in the basement. So this room is what my husband and I call the God room. And so what is the God room for us? One of the things that makes up who I am is I'm a Christian and I believe in God. And our vision for this room is what we call it's a God room. And what a God room is for us is it's a place where we can meet with God. We can pray to God, ask God questions, journal, read the Bible. And really we can do that anywhere in a house, but we just want this, specifically this room dedicated for God. We bought this house and it's about 50 years old, so there's a lot to update on it. As we dream and try to figure out what we want to do with this house, we're constantly reminded that God should be the center of our house. And so we wanted to just start the renovations off in this room, the God room. What we envision for this room is that it's a place where we can have quiet time, where we can pray, journal, read our Bibles, you know, cry, whatever we need, and just meet with God. As well as my husband and I really like to dabble in creativity. We really love music. I personally don't think I'm like a great musician, but I like to dabble in singing and guitar, and we just also see this room as a space for our friends who are musical or not musical to come over and partake in jam sessions. We did that a lot in our other place, and I really want to share the progress of this room as we renovate it. We're really new to like renovations and stuff. We will be doing a combination of contractors as well as DIYs, and so I'd love it for those of you who are watching and share tips and stuff, because I love learning. I love to work with my hands. I'm hard to learn and I'm stubborn, and so I'm gonna try to learn as much as I can about renovations. I'm sure the renovations will be a challenge, and I want to share with you the ups and downs, and I hope you just follow along on the journey with me. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Follow along on my little adventure journeys of DIYs and furniture flips, and I really appreciate you watching my videos. Bye, guys.